XTI Aerospace successfully completed a $16 million public offering. The company sold 9,143,000 shares of common stock and 9,143,000 warrants to purchase common shares at $1.75 per share, with each warrant exercisable at $2 per share and expiring 5 years from issuance. Additionally, the underwriter exercised an overallotment option for 1,371,000 common warrants. The offering, managed by Think Equity, aims to raise funds for working capital and general corporate purposes, including developing the TriFan 600 airplane. The company has been making significant strides in its development, including collaborations with the U.S. Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory Frontier Supercomputer to accelerate eVTOL development and selecting drivetrain supplier partners for the TriFan 600. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.